Guys, I heard that you are not really liking this campground.
I love it! I love it! It's one of a kind. I love it! It's awesome!
I'm in a sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
So we made it. To the next campground, Carolina Pines. And I can tell you, we are already blown away by this place. It's so beautiful. We feel like we were roughing it at the Ocean Lakes. Everything looks brand new. I think that this campground is only 2 years old, so it just looks so pristine. So we are gonna go explore now, and we are really excited about this one. Let's go check it out. What do you think, babe?
I think this campground is probably the best place we've ever been to, and we all can't contain our excitement. And we are very sad that we only have like 2.5 days here.
Well, yeah, I'm really sad too that you are leaving. Cause I'm gonna stay here. This is climbing really quickly to top 1 position, right?
Yeah, I think it would take something monumental for this not to be number 1. I mean, this is like everything we see is like. All right, just a quick interruption. We just want to let you know, in case you're wondering, we will have a review of this place a little bit later. Our reviews do take a long time, so this is just a quick blog about our journey at Carolina Pines. We will tell you all about this campground, what we liked about it. If there's anything we didn't like, hint, nope, there's nothing that we didn't like. And we'll tell you so much about the area. So stay tuned in a couple weeks and we will share that with you. All right, so we took the shuttle from Carolina Pines to, they have like a private little club here right on the beach. So we can access the beach. There's a pool, there's a hot tub, there's vending machines and snacks. So even though the campsite doesn't have
It's not at the beach,
access,
they have their own club.
yeah, so this is really nice.
There's a tiki bar that they serve the customers from here. It's only like 2 condos down. And we have the entire club to ourselves.
Yeah,
We're
well,
literally the only people here.
yeah, the weather is a little iffy today. It's probably gonna rain soon.
Hey, the sun is
so-
out right now.
But we're not afraid, right?
We're weekend warriors.
Yeah.
All right, let me show you around. All right, Olive. Are you ready?
Hey babe, what are you doing?
You asked me to give Arno a little bath after the beach.
At the dog wash?
Oh, this is what that is? Oh, well, anyways, I think that's a pretty neat idea. They have this little puppy shower, and we are right next to the dog park, which is like a whole training course. So we thought this was another pretty unique thing about this campground. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to get footage of that, but there is a really nice mini golf, and there is also a really nice beach volleyball court. Look at that. It's actual soft sand. Many campgrounds, the volleyball court sucks, but the mini golf, And this looks really nice.
Guys, this is super amazing. Come check it out with us. This campground has its own bowling alley. It's
Isn't
so
that
cool.
amazing?
Yeah, it's
Are
really
you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
All right. So I'm gonna have to show you how it's done.
Yeah, that's show.
Show mommy how it's done.
Oh, it's tea. 1, 2, 3.
So we're at a really cool restaurant, and they put on like a show while you're eating, and it sounds really cool. It's called Pirate Voyage.
Pirate Voyage. Arr.